Hello YouTube, this is Delta 8030 and today I'm going to show you how to take the ERJ 145 from cold and dark to ready to push. So without any talking, let's just get right to it. Ground power, right here. It says available, but it's off. We want this on. This is our ground power source. The airlines don't want to burn fuel and they don't have to. So we're going to turn this on right away, and the main part of the aircraft is going to come to life. All unit OK is what it says. You get a master caution because of the low oil pressures and all that stuff it's going to pick up. You want bats 1 and 2 on. Avionics 1 and 2 go to on. No smoking sign on. Everything else can pretty much stay where it's at for now. Besides, you want your emergency lights right here. You want them armed, and you want your nav lights right here on. So that's all you have to do, pretty much do the first part of the startup. Turn this to your local time here, and then I'm going to turn to the ATIS and see what's going on with weather. So we have information Delta. Wind's 290 at 14, so it's going to be a 26 left departure, most likely. So we'll start programming our FMS. We're going to position in it right here. Load the latest GPS position, flight plan. Our destination today is DFW, so KDFW is what we put in. And it goes right here. Now you can see the VIA 2 is available. So we're going to start putting in our waypoints. You can find the IFR flight plans just on, I don't know, FlightAware has them. Recently used IFR plans. That's where I get mine. But, I'm sorry there's no sound. It's just that, my computer speakers don't work, so I just have the Grand Rapids Real Life ATC playing in the background. So we're putting in the route now. First waypoint, first VOR is PMM. We'll put it in. There it is. As you can see, the line just got drawn to that waypoint. Next, we gotta put in the next one, which is STL, which is the St. Louis VOR. Next is FSM, Fort Smith. So I'll put that in. FSM, put it in. Then we have reporting point coma, so I'll put that in. Come on. There it is. There it is. Mammy. There it is. Next one, Burley. BYP is the next one, Bonham. This is the Bonham, the arrival, the bottom 5. So that's the arrival we're flying in. Carla is next. This is all in the chart too, if you want to look at the chart. I have the charts with me, but Lemon. Lemon. Stones. And then that to straight DFW, so we go and we over to destination, we select DFW, it comes to the scratch pad, and you put it up there. So now we want to go make sure we put an alternate airport in. We wouldn't do Love Field because it's too close. If we had to divert, it wouldn't be a safe diversion. So I'm going to put in KIAH for Houston. So now we're gonna go to our departure. It's gonna be 26 left, and then we're gonna activate that. Perfect. That's our aircraft. That's all right. I'm gonna change this to long range cruise, and this to a VMO MMO with a 6-degree flight path angle. So that's what that will look like. That's fine. That's all good, except we want our cruise out to be 36,000. Right there. And then this will all be calculated in flight by the computers. We have a lot of fuel because it's a long flight, so we're putting in what the gauge tells us. Right here, 28 or 2628 is our cargo load, and then we have 33 passengers on board. Dang it, I want to clear this now. 33 passengers. And then we put this up here. And then we're confirming our initialization. We can put in those winds now, which are 290 at 14. There it is. So that looks good to me. Go to our climb. Looks fine. Cruise, descent. Just making sure everything looks okay. Landing. We don't have a landing runway yet, or our information on the winds. We do have winds. Oh, I do want to do one more thing on the takeoff, I think. No, never mind. Looks okay to me. We do want to put in our... No, we don't. Okay. I guess the computer calculates that. I've never tried that before. I just saw it now. Landing elevation will be calculated when you put the runway in, and the wind you just got to put in yourself. The wind at DFW right now is 120 at. Alright, left. Hold on. I gotta look at my weather. The wind is 120 at 7. So we gotta go 120/07. That goes in our wind. And we go back to the flight plan. And that's all we really can do for now. We gotta wait till we see our runway at DFW. Probably it's gonna be the one right at 17 Center, but that's another story. We're changing this all to FMS as our primary source for navigation. It's all purple, the magenta. Set your takeoff data, it's all set already. Speeds. MFD speeds, calculate. That should be your speeds, and then you want to also put in your AP speed. So I'm like in the 160s for this aircraft. So I'm going to do 163 or something like that. 164. So there's our speeds, they're all set. And then what you do next is you contact the clearance delivery, and then they give you your initial altitude. I'm going to turn my flight directors on, both of them, and turn it to the takeoff mode. So as you can see, there goes my flight director, just went up to the 15-degree mark on the, so that the flight thing, it's ready to go now. The aircraft is pretty much ready for an IFR flight now. Now I'm going to switch off the ATIS. I'm going to contact the Grand Rapids clearance. I'm going to request IFR clearance. So we have 8,000. And we want runway heading 260. So I'm going to read that back to make sure that we understood it. So 8,000 is our altitude. We want to set our so our readback was correct, and we score squawking what we need to squawk, 3755 right here, and so we're all ready for push. So that's basically it for this part. I'll show you start procedures basically in the next video.